Memua kwaba eba Skeleton Man TV. So Skeleton Man TV ana wushe. Say where your first time bomodea subscribe. Me notification is so. Click oh no send a video. Bia ye di betum no abusia. Won son sabe kanu nye bia sure. Me dasi bebre. Abusia for Twene Jonas grass in kwa. The system is working 24/7. Abusia war fire. Twene Jonas air fire me say enye easy cry. Twene Jonas say a man for air free. E bin so ye den ye be sending an email aden ya omra out no me den omebo president Dramani Mahama omebo na baso say wa ye den ya omsi Trumu Trumu bill no abusua se de ukọ parliament ya den bill no Oma passe. And no na Twene Jonas say she NCA bibia nye den bibia NCA be no dia den ya passe sana former president Nana Akufo Addo ne time ne so ye den ye passe ye na se be no ye passe na president no nye den won sign asia be no emeye den emeye mra Akufo Addo time no ye passe ye nso Akufo Addo wan fa ne signature anye den anto ase amana meye mra enunti ana President Dramani Mahama wodi ye campaign e wo mra no wo opposition no wodi ye campaign say oba ono de obeden ono de obesan ana Ghana fo so ye den agi ni di ya chese omkoto aba ma na abusuafo oba power ye hu say bill no wa ye den wasan na bill no ewuye Akufo Addo de no ewuye ne oso omsan ye den e prepare fufuro na fufuro na omo prepare no eno ana abusuafo Parliament asa passe was a President Dramani Mahama oyeden was sign na beye mra ebusuafo Twene Jonas say one sign ne de emeye mra inti ni so obia yeden obia ebo na baso President Dramani Mahama oni former President Nana Addo difference bia eni mesi Twene Jonas grass nkoa wo fire itmudie mumie bonwa video num
yo abusianfo ena de ya ba ye krom ye be kachi me ye be kasa fa Trumu Trumu no anti ubaso a no wa share omuzi yo ina Twene Jonas ye ni pabonini what you say a pass NDC a pass Trumu Trumu no ena wonga zamfa ho ena ai ubaba be kasa fa ho no wa pretend say won't see a pass Trumu Trumu yo. No, man, we gonna be regardless. The truth is powerful, and the Almighty Twene Jonas is the most powerful. But so I know I share no credit that they be no. The ATN na me kasa for Trumu Trumu no hono say. Na me fire South Africa for one president. Na me fire ne hard. Na me yere me de go school. So I just say na NDC for ne say I Kevin Taylor buano ko ne timi kan brofunti. Twene Jonas the on Timbrofun 20 me hamamo with American slangs. Now me catch yourself. Me bought nice premium coffee. My boy we intimidate to Dasby. Of course, you know what it is. I'm cruising in my luxury BMW M division and power. Intimidate to Dasby. Muna warm up on your twice until let me put it in Dasby. I'm making my car neat and fresh. And now warm up and I start it. Ntubaso anu a share warm up no or marry obaso anu a share video no be anya no kra ni bi atie of course ye be ka no kra no nti NDC ni abwe na me catch us me blue BMW nenam of course you know what it is. We are in the great city of all time, New York City, baby. Starbucks, the most expensive coffee company limited. Me laser lighting in a bright and Yamisha Bruni, me chili. Hey, Charlie, me actually number plate in the crowd. Shout to be on Shano Crobasso and Washano Crem. NDC form Kwasiafwe. Of course, you have in that's been a sister to Bolagoon free. Isn't that incredible? Yes, it is. NDC form way. I make a choice to that's been to Bolagoon free automatically. Every corner be another your car can be one way. Yamisha Bruni. NDC form Kwasiafwe. And yes, I'm in Pasameka Trumu Trumu no wasem. The emo yano Akufo Addo ni MPP be yebi. Omo passe ye. Our parliament. E kase Akufo Addo ti passe be sign one sign. Enti da. Na me kura mi nim say oma pass ya wi ade be chijo mama ebe hu nyansa akosan ono so ne kwase animu up to now on sign hwe nti when mama kire made because illiteracy rate near high I told you, they see Mahama, South Africans, you know, Ghana into Brofuna Sinti or to us, Kwani Brofunu Plano, Kevin Taylor, the any chair, well, Shimia is so giant. Kevin Taylor, the Nomuntiasia, maybe the Nomuntiasia, because I'm speaking the international language, which is slangs, the United States language, because I'm in America, man. Of course, you know what it is. Taxi for so hard, you know, maybe my big man, having money. And what I'm trying to tell you is say, it's a parliament pass a law now. The president need to sign to make it a law. Into nine and now on Cassia passing to you be intimate Trumu or medium Trumu until said your mama Ebehunya and sign. Akufo Addo and the call parliament Akufo Addo more time and this MPP or more pass here. We were waiting for Akufo Addo to sign. But now we need to do someone sign into your mom and cheer. Kasam they was saying sign now one sign ya udo kwasi ya to say you mebo about to say why are there? What makes you different from the MPP? The MPP passed the bill in parliament and Akufo Addo never signed. The NDC have passed the bill in parliament. Your mama having signed is the same thing. And Timmu page so and a brabo mabaso the council my idea or more year the same thing Akufo Addo time they did the same thing they've done now. So we are waiting for your mama offer pay any people. No sign say okay now this is a law and that is why your mama didn't pay chief justice I didn't fire no because arms of government separation of power. When parliament passes a law, it does not become a law until the president signs. Until be on the field. Until your separation of powers. Mamunko school dano. Every 1 minute to be our ambassador. Until the separation of powers, you know, your executive and your legislature and your judiciary. Obia on the field, Obia and me and yet and Cantacrosso Nyonko. Your mama and Kwan with Jimmy and Oyesa. And the legislature no money abamba be mum good parliament no be organ or be a cromni at the parliament to our representative. And the crom be our organ be a more representative was parliament. And to MPs and to Omono atu abano more accept bill now. That bill becomes a law. And the law no before say ebe ya juma or my no ebe execute no the executive which is the president in power which is Joma on their power all power on the signature as a court bill no so now fair no judiciary if one now my chief justice mo Joma ma so mpa o ma sem na oyi o ma di o sign this for kwasi afokogu o mo interpret law na ma police. Now the police will enforce the law in the community and the society. That's how it works. I gotta educate you. Say, yeah, who won't transfer with Jimmy and say, oh no, my passing, I mean, can't read or I'm passing who? The parliament has done this before. Akufo Addo refused to sign. And to your mama, or she want to be signed. Say, oh, I movement at your mama be sign. Automatically, the judges have no choice. They have to send the law into the police and the smaller court system to enforce the law in the community and in the society, in the country, the whole entire country. And to your mama and Sanya, and to me, my MA, does that make sense? And you but now said there be Blabeka or Masam or my idea or child MPP or who until said your mama beside you. They haven't done anything. I'm sorry, it is what it is. As a judiciary, yeah, it's a judiciary, man. Of course, you know what it is. I cannot speak the English like you people no more. You better understand whatever it is I'm saying. Once I become a bro for now, I may fire South Africa for no. Man penny or South Africa for Ninesu, or Motiasia, Ghana and Intiasia. I don't care. I'm not dedicating that video to Ghanaians. This is the dedication video to Ghanaians, which is why I'm speaking Chi. If I want to talk to you guys, I'm going to speak Chi. If I want to talk to South Africans, I'm going to speak English. And that English, they understand it perfectly, man. Does that make sense to you? Why do I say 2-1 at Twene Jonas and Tibrofo to me floor? The English I'm speaking is because you do not understand. That is why you are saying whatever it is you are saying over there. Because you better understand that I'm American. So I'm gonna speak like them. Until maintenant me Jimmy say Twene Jonas I NDC a pass a law no pretend they say I want or me can or me praise you or selfish or mum pass you Trumu Trumu no or mum pass here until say we literature share the videos to or mama doing say or my pass here camouflage. I only praise them because they went to South Africa to bring our people. Yatu Abama, not taxpayers' money, no. Sikan go who be to talk ma who be to top private jet ma go unianum some fanya isem na say first I can be cover Ghana and Yana watching no South Africa brana on fan kwana me di watema na fe no wakwa mebo abaso. I'm sorry, it is what it is. We giving you our money. The money is supposed to feed the whole entire nation. Ya wabusi afon kwasi afon kwa. Enti we di bi bua Ghana and ya me praise you because now you are doing your job. Nobody gave you power to come and take care of your family. We gave you power to take care of Ghanaians. And TSC and NDC government, Musi Waya de Amajimi, Mun starting Shati and the MPP IFS and MTN down. Now Mun Shati DSTV down. Now Mun Sister South Africa for Nina Fahankofu Womansa. Any Enchitamu video news so now Mun be deport to Amana South Africa for Musa. Yes, Ghanaians are responding. Now Mun Yas Majimino Obi Bru Chrome for. Obi pun krom for. What you say? You have to respond with the same action. They are no human beings than us. And I abansa come as a twin kasa Kevin Taylor on Yobia Metiana me dikene de Japan or Sammy home by saying Kevin Taylor the court to be a Roman. South Africa president is Roman. South Africans are fools. They are all scared of me. Their stupid president is scared of me. Their ministers are scared of me. Everybody is scared of the Almighty because I'm punching them with massive truth. Do you understand what I'm saying? Me punch them with truth and education until they are scared of me. One when I mention Kevin Taylor and Onyobi, I'm the Almighty. If South Africans fool will go there and beat all of them. They know. That's why they can't mention my name. They are scared of me. And to Mahama, Jimmy, men slow South Africa for Kankai. They are nobody. In the history of Africa, the most lazy people. Ghana independence, we were able to drive away all the white people and we send them back to Europe. South Africa is the only stupid country who couldn't sack all the Europeans into their country. And up to now, the white people in South Africa still owns all the South Africa land. And they are still in slavery. But if you come to Ghana, we own the land. The Kumasi land belongs to Asante. Accra belongs to Accra people and Gamanche. Everywhere you go, there's no single land in Ghana that belongs to any white man. Everything belong to Ghanaians, but they are stupid, they are lazy, they don't have anything to their name in South Africa. They are nobody. That's why they are scared of me. They can't mention my name because I'm hitting them with the fact and the reality. Isn't that incredible? When you come, shut the wall, my boy, my Sammy Gyamfi, Oshiwasi fi, Kwasia, or my friend say was a gold board, Sikandi Akoma, or Yere the Aquaquayani to Umprano, and now ye Umprana ye. Obia sending Queen Star Polo was sending 5,000 stars. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you for sending 5,000 stars. God bless you, Queen Star. God bless you. I really do appreciate you. Everybody should go to Twene Jonas TV to subscribe. If we send stars, I'm gonna mention your name and appreciate you. Obiamon is Obiamon is the Queen Star Polo for sending 5,000 stars. I really do appreciate you. Of course, share the nokreno, share the truth. Obian share nokreno. The Almighty Twene Jonas stands tall with the truth, and nobody's better at this than me. Peace out. Of course, with that being said, let's sit. Mami powerful BMW no 9-2 warm up. Of course, you know what it is. We're gonna continue the warm up. What do you say? we run the city. Mami me na pampam na muhuma ni muye. So it is Sammy Gyamfi. Almost say what the yesika na kwaya to akwaya ababa wabito. Ababa wana akronfo koku ne se no. Mu chimi mo de ne mudi America kwache no. Me ka kire am se sa ade we no say Lumba odobroni mu koku na se nkoma fast match o mu so agum da bi ma jimi. Eno na Nicholas ne yiri akoku no a wachichiri na to botoma afred enyame ncha de police fu atimi akochi ababa wa no so because obi ku obi anya afe ni akoje bribe na chimi ewuo enye baako ni akase enye mienu ni akase o waku baako nti ye je bribe ni eja nipa that be the person need to face jail asiedu granting or say the almighty one, of course, or a subscribe or Bianco Twene Jonas even on subscribe comment by me hunma body. Of course, you know what it is. At the end, this if one I must mean to me flow bro for no whatever I was saying was educating the South Africans. So I was taking my time to let them president of South Africa learn sense. I was telling the South African president to be sensible because the South African president is somebody who traveled to Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, and he wouldn't be happy when he go to Ethiopia for United or African Union and somebody go and beat him in his hotel. He wouldn't be happy. The same way, do you understand what I'm saying? So you shouldn't, if somebody do something to you and you won't be happy, you shouldn't do the same thing to people. Do you understand? The people have paid money to you to come to your country for treatment in hospital. And the patients are in the hospital. Obi atuyesika ma o president no age visa no aba ukrum no abeda hospital no san ho yade na ukrum fo nkurasefo nkwasiafo agimefo abawura hospital no makọ bua yarefo no nyina na wote wona wontimi nsoma police me nkwachi omo a it means say you are useless. What bodam South Africa president wa Jimmy so what you say timi me dina tem obi asuro no me de me nsuro omo kankan omo niminyansa nkomo omo yeden omo anya ntokwa ne Africa ni na ne beku nka ne broni na ote ukrom na ono na oni nsase ama wo ye slave wona hwe nti aban na hwew munyina bibifo nkwasiafo amugu South Africa nyina mugu aban dam wo ba Africa Ghana na wo mu ya na yeti efie obi Ghana ni bia ni wa ote aban fie de ote obi nchan ya ote na ofa nchan ne so nchan obia oni bibi wo Ghana ho enye ono kra na ene hwe na busuani wo bibi ba to ko South Africa bibi ni bia na hwe bibi ya abrofo ne de ya what you say na mugu na junkie anti ka osamo ye dan mo fight abrofo na munya equal rights am nso mu ye nipa how say woti wa ukrom na afi no ukrom na wote no wo kofa baabi a ye chiwatum because wa fa baabi abrofo te we criminal but oba Ghana South Africa ni timi na anti krom wo baabi a obi ankoche no we free man to walk but to South Africa baabi Pretoria Johannesburg baabi bebrebe bibi ni timi nko because of our criminal. And this type of slavery, no slave master that's what you control. But besides Ghana for say a slave master when you na go Europe, ya pamomo, ya na nanom fight pamomo, enti nkwasi afuomo komo Europe ni kura mu ntime fight no. Mo se money e ba be konto kwa ma Jimmy on mu ni twasere. Enti South Africa for ni suro me. Enti omu ntime nkasa. Enti na omu huna Kevin Taylor me ma ha no omu suro me. Omu nim so omu Jimmy amede nipa kro picture beba beto South Africa for ni na me nkura ne ko he video ba ko mi share ba ko America me omu nyina ne nam. Mesumo memo omu sika na makochi na bro no obi ntime nkasa. You think it's a joke? So I just say nobody is better at this than me, and the Almighty is the most powerful in the whole world. What I say, America man pay you question me na mo nkwasi afo amon nyinya mo kankan. Why name is Trumu? We scared of you. We not scared of nobody. Sammy Gyamfi kwasia mpena papa ura. Na fe mu disikani display ama obi ayi makwa yi anka ese muso no. Afe life na mo bo ho nyan. Yesika na mo se no. Kwasia we so anim ka twi ade na oye. Anyway, warm up is rolling. Having na mu na Nyamisha broni the truth will always defeat lies, and the system is working 24/7 in the United States. Share the warm up. Share the warm up. Share the warm up. John Dramani Mahama. Can come bandi MT and a judge me no. Me cram in TSS and my Jimmy. obi bro krom for she Uganda for nyuma omo bro Ghana for omo dem e dey na stop who say bandi DSTV e dey na stop who say DSTV ma TV3 for nkwasi afo no da bi omo ye campaign ma ubetimi age omo channel ni nyina dey ama TV3 ni ya dey ato ni TV3 premium subscription ni ya subscribe on tisika DSTV charge ayifo no Ghana for no na TV3 a charge say sika na sika na tren Ghana ho na fe no DSTV channels no match ni nyina be go TV3 premium no mu enti obi tua TV3 premium a channels a onya o DSTV obenya no ho simple aden yet na ona nkwasiafo we ye ma o musika o mu krom na o mu appreciate na o mu so o ma jimi o mepam ya na yeso so o mu so. What are you sitting there for? Ghana penning for munya chimi na munwini o. The job given to DSTV can be given to Ghanaians.